guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Frank Calabro Jr. here. And I'm going to be making a video here. We're going to be talking about the distribution model. We're going to be talking about building a distribution network. And what I'm doing, guys, is I'm building a new course. It's going to be on my blog. You're going to get full access to this training. And this is going to be very, very important stuff, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to help you take your business to the next level, okay, in this email marketing series. Now, if you guys have been around me any length of time, you know that I teach and I preach. We are in the lead generation business, okay? Write that down. I'm in the lead generation business. Generating leads is what I do. Write that down. Hang it above your desk. Live it, learn it, breathe it, do it, man, every single day, okay? Very important. Now, the distribution model, very important. Let me just recap, because I got a lot of new people coming in. What we do, guys, is we use an automated sales funnel, a marketing system. We use a landing page, a sales page, okay, and an email follow-up system, okay? And real quick, this is where we build our list. We capture an email address. Here's where we do some explaining, some selling. And here's where we build our email list, okay? Now, the purpose of the email marketing series is I want to teach you guys what to do with this email marketing, your email list, I mean. What to do with that list. It's kind of like, you know, this is kind of like something that you have to figure out on your own. Not a lot of people teach this kind of stuff. But that's what we're going to focus on, is what to do with this email list. Now, I've had a lot of people contact me and say, Frankie, hey, check this out, Frankie. I'm already on your team, and you're my sponsor, and I joined your offer, whatever it might be, your ABC offer, whatever the heck it is. I already joined your team. I joined, you know, your offer. Why am I still getting emails from you? Why are you still marketing to me? And I'm like scratching my head. I'm like, oh my God. This person is missing the boat because I'm failing to train this person. So that's another reason for these for this training, this email marketing training. But let's focus on the distribution model first, and let's just draw this out in simple terms, and let's explain what we're trying to do. Okay, this is big picture type stuff. Okay, let's draw a picture of Frankie first. Okay, here's Frankie right here. There's my smiling face with my spiky hairdo. Now let's just say for even numbers that Frankie has 1,000 people on his email list, okay? Frankie's got 1,000 people on his email list, and what I do is I do a broadcast, okay? I send an email out to my list. This is in addition to the emails that are in the autoresponders, okay? This is an email broadcast. I call it a broadcast. I think there's other names for it, but I call it a broadcast. Now, what I like to do is I like to contact and talk to my list. I like to talk to my list twice a day, okay? And we're going to save this for another training, I think, how frequently you should contact your list, all that kind of stuff. But I'm just trying to keep this video focused on the distribution model. Now, let's just say, for even numbers, I got 1,000 people on my email list, and I mail this out to 1,000 people. Now, here's what happens, guys, and let's just draw 3 people as an example. Let's just pick out 3 people on my whole list. Let's just pick on 3 people on my whole list that are also promoting the same offer that I'm promoting, okay? Whatever it might be, doesn't matter what it is. Let's just say that they're also promoting the same offer, okay? Now, let's just say, for example, this person right here has got, for even numbers, I just want to use it, even numbers here, has got 1,000 people on their email list. This person's got 1,000 people. And this person's got 1,000 people, okay? So potentially, my distribution network, potentially, is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people. So what we're doing here in this distribution model by building a distribution network is what we want to do is we want to teach every single person that teams up with us to pass on the same or similar information. And by doing daily broadcasts, that's how we get the information out to everybody. Now, what you should be doing is you should be communicating with your list also if you're not doing so already. Now, what you can do is you can swipe my emails. Swipe my emails. All swipe means, if you haven't heard this term before, swipe my emails is, you know, or swipe someone's copy. I heard it, you know, some people use that word. All you're going to do is copy, paste, and you're going to edit. That's it. That's all it means. Swipe means copy, paste, and edit. Real simple. You guys can grab my emails if you're on my list. Grab my email word for word. Put it in a notepad, okay? Put it in a notepad or just put it into whatever autoresponder that you're using, PLS, Aweber, GetResponse, whatever platform that you're using, okay? Put it in there. Take my links out of the email. Take my name out of the email. Put your stuff in that email, and then you blast it out to your 1,000 people, okay? And then this person blasts out to their 1,000 people. And then this person sends that same email out to their 1,000 people. What we're doing in this distribution model, this distribution network, is we're passing the same information out. You know what's going to happen if we do this on a consistent basis? Of course, a lot of us are already doing this, but more of us need to do this. And if you're not doing this, you need to engage and join the team and do the same thing that we're doing. I'll tell you what it's going to do. It's going to explode our business, guys. We're all going to make more money. We're all going to get more signups because we're pushing the information out through our distribution network. That's what we're trying to do here, guys. We're trying to build this massive, massive team and constantly grow and accelerate the duplication by getting the information out. Now, without going too deep into, you know, what I send out, because I want to save that for other videos, we're going to get deep into that, guys. We're going to really dissect the whole process. I'm going to show you guys how, you know, I put together emails and subject lines and, you know, the email copy, all that stuff, guys. We're going to get into all that cool stuff. I'm going to show you all that stuff. And listen, eventually you want to come up with your own stuff. You do want to come up with your own stuff. But the best thing to send out to these people is documentation, is proof, and progress. Because that's what they really want to see. They really want to see that something works. And if you're documenting something, say on a daily basis, which I do, I document 2 of my offers. I document daily progress, and I share that progress with my list. Now, it's okay to contact your list every single day if you do that, guys, okay? It's okay. And we'll get, like I said, we'll get deep into this in future videos in this series. We'll talk about this a lot more, about strategy and that kind of stuff with your email list. We'll talk a lot of stuff about that, you know, in coming videos. But I just wanted to keep this video like really simple. I want to talk about the distribution model. And all we're doing is taking information and passing it out to the next person. Now, another wonderful thing about this is our email list should be always growing, guys. Always growing. And by doing that, by growing our list, you know, we're constantly reaching more and more people, and we're expanding our distribution network. So, this is powerful, guys. This is extremely powerful. You guys need to think about this. You need to engage. You need to do this. Contact your list. You know, try and contact your list once a day if you can. If you can, okay? And, you know, at the minimum, contact your list on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Also an excellent day to contact your list. Those particular days, the email open rates are higher, the response rates are higher, and, you know, people tend to read their emails more often on those particular days. Sunday is an excellent day to broadcast to your list. I always try and send out an email broadcast on Sunday, and I usually send that out early in the morning, about 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you know, it's just one of those days where people, they're not rushed. They have time to read the emails. They've got time to watch a video, that kind of thing. So Sunday is an excellent day to broadcast to your list. And we'll get into this, like I said, in the future videos in this series. Just want to keep it real simple here. Talk about the distribution model, building a distribution network, and engaging in that network. Now, I'm going to be posting all these videos. You'll find them over on the GoogleMillionaire.com site. You'll find all this information in a sponsoring series, and this is going to be one of the first videos in that series. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this simple lesson. I'll see you guys in the next training. Thank you, everybody.